Hello ladies, hello gent. Thank you for being here today. My name is Mira Skinder, and on today's video, we are going to begin a series called The High Value Woman. This is another form of leveling up to become the best version of yourself, because like I said on this channel, we are striving to be well-rounded, to be people that have all it takes to fulfill our purpose on planet Earth. So, what do I mean by a high value woman? A high value woman is someone who knows their worth and exudes an energy that goes beyond the physical. That is shocking, right? Because just being pretty doesn't mean that you're a high value woman. In our world today, women are just so consumed with their physical appearance that they forget to understand that that is not all what it takes for you to become a high value woman. That energy that a high value woman has, it attracts people to her like moth to a flame. But she is careful about who she brings into her circle. A high value woman is not just physically beautiful. She is beautiful from within, for which she has something to offer to the world. She radiates from the inside to the outside. And this radiation that she exudes, that's what makes her a high value woman. That's what makes her be the creme de la creme. You know, the woman that you look at and you're wondering like, oh, why is this woman like this? Why is it that everyone wants to be around her? Why is it that every man wants to be with her? That is because of the energy that she carries. That is who a high value woman is. And on today's video, we are going to be talking about the traits of a high value woman. Stick with me, family. A high value mindset, you will ask, where does that come from? It comes from a deep sense of worth and self-confidence. That is why I keep preaching that a woman should have self-confidence. She should believe strongly in self-worth and strive to have self-worth, because when you do that, that is how you become a high value. The number one trait of a high value woman is that she has class. She embraces her beauty and charm while acknowledging the fact that other women are beautiful. So she doesn't let the beauty of another woman threaten her existence. She understands that women are allies and not competitors. This is why, because of that way that she is, because of that way that she carries herself, because of the way that she believes strongly in herself, that is why many people want to be around her. That is why wherever she finds herself, wherever she goes to, she provides value because of the self-worth that she carries, because of the deep sense of self, because of the deep sense of confidence. She knows who she is, so she doesn't need somebody else out there to validate her. And that way she becomes this glowing woman that you see and call a high value woman. The second trait of a high value woman is that she knows her worth. She does not let the opinions of other people cloud her judgment. She understands that there is a lot of love to give out to the world. She understands that the universe is big enough to contain everybody. She understands that her worth is not simply tied to the way that she looks, but the way that she feels about herself, the way that she carries herself. That is who a high value woman is. The third trait of a high value woman is that she invests in herself. A high value woman knows that she needs to read books. She knows that she needs to educate herself on the things that are going on around the world. She knows that she needs to invest in herself in such a way that she is going to be of high intellect. She knows that she needs to invest in herself in such a way that she can be of value to the universe. She can be of value to the world. She cannot be that person that just occupies space. She's going to be the person that is an inspiration to other people. That is who a high value woman is. She does not stay without investing in herself, because she knows that growth is the only thing that will take her further. Growth is the only thing that will take her a step away from where she used to be. And she understands that the competition is not with others but with herself. So she strives to become a better person. I love me a high value woman. Are you a high value woman? The next trait of a high value woman is she is kind and she's compassionate. A high value woman understands that everyone is a human being. Everyone has feelings. And everyone needs someone to just be kind enough to them. Because many people in our world today are struggling with one thing or the other that they necessarily do not tell other people. So she understands that kindness is an act that she can give to the world. Anyone that she meets, she is compassionate with that person. She's kind to that person. She's not the kind of person that looks at people with malice or hold malices against people, or bear grudges against people. She's the kind of person that no matter what happens, she understands that she has to be kind. She understands that she has to be compassionate with people that need that. She's the kind of woman that when she walks into a room, you that sees her finds peace. She walks into a room, she makes people understand that they can be comfortable with her. Just the way she carries herself, she doesn't need to say anything. You understand that she's compassionate with your situation. She's the kind of woman that you can talk to and she will understand what you, even if she does not understand your problem, she is going to be empathetic. She will show that kindness. She will show that love. That is who a high value woman is. The next trait of a high value woman is that she is in tune with her purpose. She rarely loses sight of the things that she wants to do with her life. She is passionate about what she wants to do, and she makes sure that she invests that time and the energy in order to get what she wants to get out of life. She's also comfortable knowing that she has to take full responsibility for herself, and she understands that failure is just a stepping stone to success. That is not something that has to break her down. That is not something that has to derail her. She doesn't let anything impede her from what she wants to do, not even love. That is who a high value woman is. She's the kind of person that goes after her goals. She goes after her dreams. She knows that this is what she has to do, and she does what she needs to do to achieve them. Because of her passion for her purpose, she lives her life in such a way that it aligns with her values, because she knows that the values that she has in her life, the core values that she has made for herself, that is how she lives her life. That way she doesn't derail. That way she doesn't go astray. She is using those core values to guide her, to direct her, to make sure that she gives her all to what she wants to do. The next trait of a high value woman is that she speaks her mind. This is not a kind of woman that you can trample upon. This is not a kind of woman that you can just speak to anyhow that you so please. She speaks her mind, but in a respectful manner. She says yes when she wants to say yes. She says no when she wants to say no. She doesn't let the world dictate the way she wants to live her life. She doesn't let the world impose upon her what she has to do, except it aligns with her values. Contrary to popular belief, she is not caged by others because she has the ability to speak up her mind. That is how she's able to advocate for other people. That is how she's able to say what needs to be said when it needs to be said. Last but not the least, a high value woman, she embraces her vulnerability. She understands that she can be vulnerable with the people that are close to her. She understands that she has to be honest. She understands the value of honesty, and because she is honest with her people, they are able to open up themselves to her. They are able to talk to her when they have a need, when they have a problem, without being afraid of judgment. They understand that speaking to her is a form of confidence, it's a form of comfort that they can derive just because of the way that she exalts herself, just because of the way that she lives her life. She lives her life by a set of principles. And those principles are what is guiding her to become the person that she is, to become the high value woman that she is. She lives an authentic life. And she does not live a life because she wants to please other people. She lives a life that is valuable, a life that can be able to impact other people in the world. She lives her life in such a way that people will understand the value of a woman. People will see her and be envious of womanhood. People will see her and know that a woman is a pride, is the pride. A woman is someone that you want to associate yourself with. A high value woman is someone that you want to be with because the way she lives her life is a total example. Are you a high value woman? Do you want to become a high value woman? Thank you so much guys for watching today's video. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell. That way you know when we have new uploads. And also share these videos with your friend. And make sure that you become a part of the family. Thank you guys and have a fab one. Love you all. Bye.